Udele don still come outside come tell the general public say if the federal government ever release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say im go kpai am. Dis thing now na 100 times wey im dey talk dis thing and say nothing will happen. Abeg I wan make una watch dis video and see as e take talk am before we go come back come continue. For the other hand though, they say Asari Dokubo don become pharaoh to his own people. He say now if im dey pass say nobody stand up, im go beat the person. Na wetin dey happen for Asari Dokubo kingdom as we dey talk right now. Things are happening. Watch the videos before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
Because Nnamdi Kanu. I told them on the one podcast now. Say if they leave him, me I go buy him. I go buy him. Why they want leave him? How? I repeated it on the one podcast. So I say, now my job to give you expo. Now my job to give you expo. If he will only live long if he stays inside there. How happen? I must buy him. I must buy him. Let them try it. I'm telling the presidency now, in order to avoid anarchy in Igbo land, that guy go buy there. Nnamdi Kanu, must buy there. Okay? In order to avoid anarchy, as they gave him life imprisonment, he must serve his life imprisonment. And without parole. Without parole. With all these things that happened. Did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to cut off Matador's penis or not? Eh? He is from Mbutuzo is from Umutanze. Those of you from also, did Nnamdi Kanu tell them to come out Matador prick or not? And after he told them to bury him alive. Matador was buried alive on the order of Nnamdi Kanu. Direct order of Nnamdi Kanu. He said, Ijele, please don't expose your intention in Amu. In Amu. If naked warrior won't kill you, in the hide the secret. The only law that no match him, you must collect. So there is, he don't match the high tension. Where in they go? You people don't know what terrorism is. Oh, buying a terrorist, no job, no law hold you. No law hold you if you buy a terrorist. So me, I don't follow on the price go to one party. Now we tell you what boy I need. Only see not put up. Record me, cut this place. Now what Nnamdi Kanu what boy I need, what boy on work and what see amu. Those of us say, oh, we love Nnamdi Kanu. We get radio. The quiet radio. Open nama bobu di man open. No, like line up where like no shishin get the way. Okay, if you baby if you baby here before. Also, you go buy your people. Una Igbo. Una say we go see the other kishi maybe you know the kara na abun. The kara na abun. All the kishi maybe you know thunder na fire you know like you know China you know na ko you know na ko oh leave him. What did he do? Don't worry. Don't worry. I pray may they leave him. Eh? I pray may they. You see Sahara reporters, tell Shogore say if they want trial, make him stand for that gate. Me, I go fire him first. If I don't do, I make I die. Memo to kill me. Tell him, copy this one, go tell him. Say anybody will say him mama born and where, they near him that day. Make them free him, just they near him for that day. If I no fire you, you go be victim of the intra-Igbo civil war. This is Igbo civil war in case you don't know. Oh, on a thing only one side go carry go yeah, thunder about we be doing me. You say you don't have right to buy, don't worry, come and become let the court declare you a terrorist, then we will explain it to you very well. Okay? Let the court declare you a terrorist, then you come out. That is when you will know where our power is coming from. Your brother Bukwegi. Iyafo is like Ezala Bukwegi, Iyafa Mukugebunu ni lengane ha. Man. This one don't even know how to write. You are beating more than you can do. You do just have to you are copy the I said, go and become a terrorist. Go to the court. Tell them you are an IPOB member and they will declare you a terrorist. Tell them that you bet with somebody. Make they pronounce you terrorist, then let you pass that gate. See if I don't go kill you. Make I use you, starter. Make I teach you law. Show me the law. I go show you the law. I will show you the grave. Like, try. Tell on a politician say now we they talk. Rescue an Igbo. We just sign now. No, if na me, buy me. If na me, buy me. Anybody. You buy person, you must buy. Whomever you are, whomever you are, Ojuku get luck. Ojuku, I for Ojuku. Tell Bianca I say her husband get luck. Luck Nana him for explain himself very well. Oh, izoba ajo madu nkegi, nzoba ajo madu nkem, ka ajo madu ji akanku. Mani igbuo nkegi, mgbuo nkem, ifu ya yoja ana. Nwekwe na ama yojo. Stop covering up evil. Ndi Igbo ya abụghị our culture. We are not known for covering evil.
Of Calabari JSF. The man of Calabari never introduced this kind of thing. When in the past, everybody must stand up. And him, the Asari Dokubo, now the man of Ellen Calabari. So, as the man of Ellen Calabari, if now, in the past, if you want to introduce that kind of thing, he must at least give information, not thank cry to the world, to the Buguma people, for everybody to know. Say, if Asari Dokubo, the man of Ellen Calabari, the past, make everybody stand up. For my compound now day way Asari Dokubo with him boys come molest me, beat me off because of say make we stand up. If we need drive they come, everybody must stand up. So now waiting I want to tell the world, no. See the things that they carry flog me flog all my body. They carry flog all my body. See the wound they give me. See my neck. Before then, I don't go take treatment. Before now they do this video. So I won't let the world know what thing they happen within our kingdom. So our kingdom is not safe because of the
Well, sir. Well, a lot of people have seen you in clips and pictures with this terrorist where you know where they are. We've communicated with them. You've even as far as negotiating with them, you know. So a lot of people believe that since you have, this knowledge about all this, is it that the government does not have the power or the equipment to know where these terrorists are to tackle insecurity?
The government knows every terrorist by name and by location. I don't go to the terrorists alone. I call the police, I call the security, everybody. I will go to the MES or that place. In fact, when we went to one terrorist, I went to even with women with me. To the bush. You didn't see it because the camera was not concentrated on it. I don't go hello.
People, when I don't hear them, as it they happen. May you see that anything you are seeing in Nigeria today, don't be surprised. The Nigerian government knows about the terrorists. You see the ones they're planting in Igbo land to destroy Nnamdi Kanu, to destroy the Biafra agitation, to bring Funani, to make a half Igbo, half Funani, or half Yoruba, half Igbo, so that there will not be nothing like Igbo again. When you see them working hard and telling you they love Ndibo, why they attack anybody who mean well for Ndibo, go and verify all of them. So don't be surprised. If you like, join them. If you like, don't join them. So guys, share this video, drop your own opinion in the comment section. We are watching where they will end and where they are heading to. Everything that had beginning also has an end. When something starts, keep watching that thing. One day we know where they are coming from and where they are going. So now, so it be life. Life is just like a kind of when it happened like this tomorrow, the other day it happened the other way. So we are watching closely. A lot of people are asking questions. Why do Biafra Liberation Army keep these guys quiet? Why do the non-government not reacting? Why this person are not doing this? No, don't bother yourself. Leave them. It's their own time to play their own film. Where other people are also planning ahead. You don't know what they are doing. You don't know what they are working on. You don't know, even though they are running. You don't know the next thing that will happen tomorrow. So we are still watching. We are watching closely. We are watching closely of everything that is happening. We are here to report everything that is happening. So your own work is to share and make sure say you leave your own opinion in comment section so that those people we are talking about, they're also watching. You understand? They're also watching. So keep sharing.